Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the code 43 error code on Windows computers, how to fix your USB drive not being recognized. Basically, you're going to go to the start menu, type in device, and you're going to go to device manager. When you get to device manager, basically you're going to scroll down to USB serial ports, right? You're looking for your main one, so let's keep that in mind. So it looks like this one is for a phone. This one is my main one with all the subsequent ports on your computer. Click on it. You're going to drop down, but you're going to click on the top where it says controller, and first you're going to scan for changes, right? You want to see what comes up. Ideally, you want to find the USB hub corresponding to the hub that's not working on your computer. If you're not able to isolate which one it is, you can just systematically go through all of them. Basically what you're going to do is just click on a hub, right click, and you're going to say update drivers. You're going to use the internet to search for those drivers, and it'll tell you it's been successfully updated. Just go through all of them if you need to, but realistically, if you can isolate which hub you're looking for, then you can just update the drivers. Normally that would fix your issue. You can just basically restart your computer and then plug in your USB and see if it works from there. I hope that helps. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.